Nsem-Pii TV nie.
Ndra ewia ye na enyankrato from Supreme Court say omonsa can rate issue former President John Dramani Mahama from contesting from the 2024 elections. Nipa odi suit ne koye ene omahene enya interview bi ene odi ne nsem to na articles are na from the constitution odi nyina so oho ene yemra ye de gather former president of the Republic of Ghana ni nkomomu a otime kire se wako one term o wako two terms o se ye two free ade so a obedane former president na obedane former president bia Constitution of the Republic of Ghana won hyehyeye bi ni emra bi eda wo ho a ye de hwew ana say ye guide one emolument ne benefit na ye ka benefit na entra okwasa benefit ne comes with the responsibility enti se when uje benefit na wenti manya responsibility abam no be the Supreme Court na wakoje judges interpretations ne declarations na bibia say ye de articles no to no Supreme Court for a director na de ato na yenkotie ne nyesem kakra bi a obo ne tofa eche omahene ye ba na ya to aso sa editorial way.
And that's basically my what I'm putting the Supreme Court.
Na crunchy na say President Kufore President Mahama de odi yesa entonto na emfa if we say President Kufore de mrane kano if you motwe no owie ni de President Mahama owie no first term iti baby ehonu person who say obitima to aso second term na owie ni dwumadi
former president Mahama or former president
former President John Dramani Mahama
former president or a former president
of course
former president Kufore or a former president
and one
what is the difference
bakwe wi ngotwe bakwe wi ennan
the presidential term is 4 years every 8 years
correct
it is only national level there before land article 62 of the 1992 constitution
but enyem from so say bi embrace wo kwan say obetime twa mfie ngotwe nti mfie ngotwe whether the twaso or ukoba ebeto ba akona kan so a eno so e
and I make there's a constitutional lacuna there because it is contiguous or disparate. Also the twaso and also the twaso the percentages no aba. So okay, the constitution must be read as a whole. It must be read to make sense. So okay, we are not disparate there. Let us say, there are people who actually make the argument. So, for instance, President Mahama becomes president, then the argument of making holds. So he is entitled to a second term.
But, Patrol, Wadarma, and Koma would say, a person shall not be elected to hold office as president of Ghana for more than 2 terms. 2 terms, as I say.
Hello.
Meti Wadarma.
Also, can make state one now can other constitutional provisions. For instance, the real first term now, the second term now, meaning now follow that to constitute. And you could one could stay out of the constitution article never be because of it. You know that is where Mr. Mahama is coming from. Because of Article 62 need to know. 66 need to know. You can for the second thing. But you cannot read the constitution without also coming down to look at it into.
Oh, person wants to say, and they say, Omani Kwabnas and Ditra first term we are 4 years now. Ultimatum kwa Samba and Kasemi Sefata Semi call a second term. And I said
that is exactly the point I'm making.
Inti Mr. Kenneth AJ, the heads and tail of the case ewo Supreme Court. Na ye court former President John Dramani Mahama case here or the akon. And Sunny become the judicial presidency. In Kaya in Nsem-Pii TV, time and ye di Honorable Judge Kwesi in Hong Kong. Ye the judicial presidents be brave and fatu. One, Mr. the late Abu Sakande, Honorable Abu Sakande, ye di yen tutu, ye di yen fatu. Ye di yen fatu sa to the extent say ye the koye fatu ma Honorable Dorcas Afo Tofi, because se unim Mrana case bi wo ho judicial president, the judges for articles be decided the trend of cases. A very good source of information. Guide a particular trend of a particular case. Company for back, and there's nothing new under the sun. Now, similar case you with Judge Kwesi and say Abu Sakande or Abu Sakande. Oshe trend now. The same trend and I think I call to Honorable Judge Kwesi they drew the criminal trial into who the judicial presidency diagram who the one major source of judges ruling and I had a diagram. Now so sharp and a judicial president behind you see Dorcas Afo for case in Bu Ambono still now or a member of parliament for Jomoro on behalf of the NEC into cases beyond they were lawyers sitting argue and they were a verify, but judicial precedents are very, very important. Now, judicial precedents are former President John Dramani Mahama case here. Akodam and President J. Kufuor, former President J. Kufuor, and Attorney General and Speaker of Parliament in any case, but quite unique. Now, so you better draw some inspiration from certain judicial precedents. One, Mr. Kwame Pianim. Mr. Kwame Pianim, one of the founding fathers of the New Patriotic Party, serious economic financier and leading persons in the New Patriotic Party. 1996, Obede said running for the flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party. Unanimously, not supporting because one, or carry sa economic mind two. Na we go for within the party na enim no ache inti no was stature no 3 founding father 4 na sikana etaho na yenka the way sikana etaho to say the way former president of Dramani Mahama sikana etaho ye hwe ni financiers ne investors na ye obvious. One of Neba won in 1970 Echo Warren media heiress Rupert Murdoch ba. Now, Rupert Murdoch, a Australian American business magnate in the United States, not only a whole lot of media publishing companies, only to the tune of even the Sun. Nina Nedia. Inti Rupert Murdoch, will share the same grandchildren. Apart from say, obey president, nema a descendants of presidents of an African nation. Inti our major interest obey support of financials in because even a daughter of son into presidency no benefit in your protection in ebeba to ne nana kaswa into na sika their finance finance Mr. Kwame Pianim. It was neither a problem for them at all. And then Kofu Bebrena him say Mr. Kwame Pianim so a founding father or ni education ni intellectual capacity a conkin into na unanimous support etanichi ni nature. One, you can't about unanimous support from the political party. You can't about sika. You can't about stature and credibility. Supreme Court ruling ebubo Mr. Kwame Pianim ama wambeye flag bearer of the New Patriotic Party and be eventual president of the Republic of Ghana. Evidence shows obia obeso flag bearership of either of the major political parties, whether NDC or NPP. Unya so mwa kianike by a president from 1992. From the late John Evans Atamo to the late President J.A. Kufuor and former President John Dramani Mahama, President Nana Danko Kufuor. Obia was so flag bearership name biara. I Abeye, President of the Republic of Ghana. Inti sa denial or deny Mr. Kwame Pianim no. The same trend former President John Dramani Mahama case na now ye ka say o case ko dom Supreme Court a patch say finality ebebu abona ye share in this double salary cases ye do dom match, but because of the political shakedown and magnitude of the case in Supreme Court for the case bia na ye hu ne kofare by say beba because we are part of protecting the sanctity of governance. Internet say case bia na hui adoso say case bi share na tokwane a lot of disorganizing beba me who say Supreme Court through wisdom ni intelligence etimi and manage sa case now so Supreme Court of also show a level of audacity so we are president the crap now the ruling bananya now this current Supreme Court unanimously etimi editia a typical example here Mr. Domolovo case here Ekodom Supreme Court current president of the Republic of Ghana what is what powers no appointing majority of the Supreme Court judges on cry unanimously or maybe etiano inti so much Supreme Court to me dictate the presidency how much more former President John Dramani Mahama do you say Supreme Court in each and every time some rising above political personalities some rising above political tensions inti that is one of characteristics of Ghana your Supreme Court. Paul Adomotri in his analysis of this a border mostly on Article 66 but to see them Mr. Kenneth a J Crunchy or Kana and the Article 66 in Kwano or border about or border on Article 68 Article 66 ekasa about president need 2 terms argument now and no say former president of Dramani Mahama the source and baba but Article 68 that talks about former president ni emra down one question marks be pray or what as a Supreme Court for ano inti ye kasa about Mr. Kwame Pianim the similarities between the case and former president of Dramani Mahama yenko to former president of the Republic of Nigeria Goodluck Jonathan. I didn't know Mr. Goodluck Jonathan. Mr. Goodluck Jonathan a former president of Nigeria. Mr. Goodluck Jonathan of Nigeria. Also, I didn't know compare this particular case. Also, former president of Nigeria of a republic country in Africa. No opese conversations that is air course say obeba back now current president here President Tinubu of Nigeria now so in command course so during Mr. Goodluck Jonathan of Nigeria PM our high court in Nigeria interesting PM high court in Nigeria now human rights lawyer a friend Femi Falana article way April 28 2022 the case a latest case and your case which be brave say former president Goodluck Jonathan ain't contested in the 2023 presidential bid election as cited constitutional provisions are a ban as ex-president from seeking re-elections. Senior lawyer Nika said in a statement in response to growing calls on Mr. Jonathan to throw his hat into the ring ahead of the 2023 elections, he said, Mr. Jonathan, who was a Nigerian president between 2010 and 2015, would breach constitutional term limits of 2 terms of 8 years if he runs for the presidency and wins again. He recalled that Mr. Jonathan became the president of Nigeria in 2010 following the sudden death of President Umaru Yar'Adua, and later contested and won the 2011 presidential bid. In Tisena, former president, the late President Umaru Yar'Adua Efrimu, is the same way former president Johnny Banzer Tamils, the late Onosu Ofrimu, and Mr. Goodluck Jonathan, a president of Nigeria, same way president of Ghana. Into similarities na or sans contested Obewini, but Nadia President Umaru Yar'Adua Betinaso or Betinaso for one of free no Goodluck Jonathan Betinaso for 1 full year. into a contesting winning about 5 years. Into 2010 to 2015, Goodluck Jonathan was the president of the Republic of Nigeria. Now, na Femi Falana Kase, Goodluck Jonathan contested biom in 2022. Ebe winning presidential bid na 2023 be winning presidential bid na. In total, abeding obeko for more than 8 years. A year a contradicted 2 terms of 4 years. Now no kwa betimako in total of 9 years. Inti Sadian or the copiemu ewo court. Now, Judge and Dr. Jonathan, on a statement, Dr. Jonathan is disqualified from contesting the 2023 presidential election. The reason is that if he wins the election, he will spend an additional term of 4 years. It means that he would spend a cumulative period of 9 years of president of Nigeria in utter breach of section 137 of the 1992 of the Constitution, which provides the maximum terms of 8 years. International, Mr. Falana. Now, the person a court ruling of the judge. Oti in Nsem-Pii. But answer na even ye be court ruling of the judge now. That time no na elders ni youth for agada akọ the foundation office of Goodluck Jonathan say obo pese or running tea and you no crap no ordinary. The same way former president John Dramani Mahama we need unanimous endorsement from the NDC. Interpreted today nanko for na from the PDP party. Now 2023 clears Jonathan to run for president, ruling a judge in Edebayo. Federal High Court on Friday, Yanagua, Bayelsa State, said former President Goodluck Jonathan can run for president in 2023. The judge, Issa Dashin, while delivering a judgment on Friday, held that Mr. Goodluck Jonathan's right to vie for the presidency for a second term cannot be stopped by any retroactive law. There have been intense political debate over Mr. Jonathan's eligibility to run for the presidency a second time after he was defeated at the polls in 2015 by the incumbent president Mahama Buhari when Mr. Jonathan sought to be re-elected. Joining the debate in April, human rights lawyer Femi Falana said the former president cannot contest. Already, they discuss it or no. Inti judge no eka said no retroactive law ebetime aba Goodluck Jonathan from running for presidency. Ne krakra ne saying Goodluck Jonathan and running. Does that mean say even though winning case in our high court no osuro appeals osuro say because Supreme Court or osuro consecutive challenging of the presidency? And I say, a politically expedient. Say, instead of fighting legal battles to win presidency, obe hand you over the towel. Now, we'll let things go. These are the questions, everywhere. But to be any the entire Goodluck Jonathan didn't run for the PDP. PDP for a winning election in India. Now, so Goodluck Jonathan did not come back as flag bearer of the PDP. Now, former President Dramani Mahama they were back and I win a challenge in the Supreme Court. In the first, Mr. Kwame Pianim case Abba as an infatuation. Yeah, the Goodluck Jonathan and so Abba. Now, yeah, call final case way back in the United States of America. President be a friend of Grover Cleveland, or not the only United States president. Or winning elections, losing elections, or be president for Robert Nassau, or somebody and winning elections. It be akoso in the United States of America. That your friend Grover Cleveland, mobe to me, I Google. On the first Democratic elected after the Civil War in 1885, 22nd and 24th president Grover Cleveland. From 1885 to 1889, from 1893 to 1897. Into ABSC in the Western world, in the United States of America, that shows the Supreme Court so by individuals. So all things are possible in this dicey case Akodom Supreme Court about the eligibility of former President John Dramani Mahama to contest for the 2024 bid of the NDC flag bearership. Already we don't know what the NDC lawyers are going to say, but reaction is free that of utter surprise. And everyone say they are surprised because former President John Dramani Mahama Nanka Oba Corner there should have been a high preparation in legal team, some be protected and to be caught by this surprise there. A very poor work from the legal team of former President John Dramani. But you say more retroactive, ejuma no ebe pick up because nka we dey expect say come be proactive no my advice no or call for parliamentary approval saa niema na ka saa asem wina emba me dey kwabna about me na minister editorial we by the similarity between former President John Dramani Mahama, Kwame Pianim, Goodluck Jonathan and Cleveland of Grover Cleveland of the United States of America.